Hi, I'm Matt from Safescapes, and I'm going to show you today how we cover this old concrete that has cracks all in it for a 15-year product with SafeFlex rubber surfacing. No huge demo or re-pour required, so the family's going to be back enjoying the pool in the next 2 days. Okay, and easy as that. That is the install in 7 hours. So 1-day install over top of old concrete, no demo needed, and get 15 plus years out of it. Non-slip and porous, and the customer's ready to go in the next day or two.